How to log in into the Delta Airlines employee portal. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Delta Airlines and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, delta.com. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, at the top right corner, you're gonna see the option of sign up and login. Go ahead and click on the option of login. Now from here you can easily log into your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. So go ahead and type in the number or the username and the password. In the case you have forgotten the username or the password, you can click on these options to recover it. After you provide your details, click on login and just for that you will be logged into your account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, go ahead and click on the option of join and go through the process. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily log into Delta Airlines employee portal. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.